Earth's population is growing, resources are becoming scarce. Too many people have made excessive demands on the long-range carrying capacity of our garden. As we are rapidly approaching the Earth's carrying capacity of 10 billion people, people's needs are not being met, and now we are heading down the slippery slope of self-destruction. With the worldwide population growing, we are losing space. Countries like Monaco have population densities of over 40,000 people per square mile. In cities, it's even worse. Manila in the Philippines has well over 100,000 people per square mile. Broad Run has its own space problems. With well over 1,800 people walking the halls between bells, it can be a little crowded, and it's only going to get worse. With space on the decline, housing prices are on the rise. Many must suffer unlivable conditions. There are over 100 million homeless people worldwide, and over 40 million refugees and internally displaced peoples. With class sizes brimming to capacity, some students are being left behind, and it's only going to get worse. In this new world order, the competition for resources has been driven through the roof. Gas prices have risen 2,700%, from $5 a barrel to $140 a barrel over the past 35 years. From Broad Run's aging electrical grid can no longer keep up with the demands of the many students' cell phones, forcing students to claim their power sockets. With more mouths to feed, the world food supply is having a hard time keeping up with the demand. Over 21,000 people die every day of hunger. That amounts to 7.6 million a year. Broad Run students risk detention almost daily, foraging for food from other locations because the school lunch is unsatisfactory.
As a result of overpopulation, our society will never be the same. There will always be people starving. There will always be people without shelters. There will always be resource wars, and people will always bump into one another. Our world will never be the same due to population increase.